Hey guys, welcome to Peace Antz Academy. Today I'm going to walk you through the DApp and show you guys how it works. So first things first, you got to connect your wallet and safety first. So it's always good to create a new wallet when connecting to a new DApp or something like that. So if you can create a new wallet in the by adding an account, and you can create an account, and it's a good way to separate your more valuable assets from more experimental stuff. So I'm gonna connect my wallet, and I designed this so I personally know it's safe for me, but I don't know what vulnerabilities it could have. This isn't designed to store a lot of money per se, but it is designed to transfer values, so it should be a secure thing, and it's based on Open Zeppelin contracts. So I ideally would get a lot of the security from that. So let's just dive in and create a course. So when you click the Create Course button, it'll pop up with the MetaMask, and right now it's about 25 cents to create a course, and this is the most expensive transaction you'll do because it's actually deploying a course contract to the blockchain. So confirm, and when you deploy that, that's gonna actually mark you as the teacher for that course. So when you're marked as the teacher, you can see over here the teacher address is right here. You will be able to initialize the course, and it'll go under your name. But if you're not the teacher, it won't let you initialize the course. So let's go ahead and initialize that course. After you initialize the contract, you'll see this area here with the course status, and over here it has some course information. This is going to be the first course created, and it's going to have the block number that it was created at. Then you can click on the teacher address if you want. That'll actually link you to Polygon Scan, where you can see some details on the teacher address. It'll link you to the contract address as well, so you can see more details on the actual contract itself, contract address itself. This should actually have more information. Okay, I'm not sure why that. Okay, so for the course title, I'm gonna make up a course, and we're gonna call it Introduction to Peace Antz Academy, and I'll write in a short description. So in this course, you will learn how to create your own course, or if you are a sponsor or student, or both, you will learn how to enroll or sponsor a course. Enroll or sponsor. So there's a limit to the number of characters you can put in there. And I'm gonna say the time commitment in hours is gonna be 0.5. It'll be a half an hour course. It's pretty quick and easy to explain. And then let's say we're gonna do this course on Wednesday. So if you're watching this video and it's before July 12th, 2023, you can apply to this course and enroll in it, and get a first-hand experience of what it's like to take a course on here. So let's say for my time, it's gonna be in the evening, say 7 p.m. 7 o'clock, I need the 0 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay? And then I'm gonna choose a syllabus, and so I actually made a syllabus for how to use Peace Antz Academy, but one thing I would recommend doing is go on ChatGPT and you can actually just ask it to write you a syllabus. So you can say, write me a syllabus for how for my course, and then here are the details, and you can put in some details. So actually what I would do is just copy and paste the stuff here. Time commitment 0.5 hours, and then date, course start date is gonna be, it's hard to copy and paste this, 7/12/23 at 7 p.m. Okay. And here, and it's good to give a link. So here is a link that people can use to join the course, and you can make this like a Zoom link, or in my case I'm gonna go ahead and just use a GatherTown link. Let me see here. So this is like a little metaverse space. It's based on GatherTown. I was introduced to it by Crypto Arcade, which is a project that used to be on that's on Harmony, and is kind of always that he's the guy who does the Project Pixel. He's always building, and it's really he's always creating an interesting experience for users. So definitely something to check out if you haven't yet. So let me copy that link, and then I'll just put that link here so people can join that particular office at that time. Because the syllabus is kind of what people are going to use to see everything and understand what they're kind of enrolling into and sponsoring. So cool. ChatGPT will just go ahead and list that out for you. So that's great, and so I already kind of got it to do that. So I'm gonna set it for 15 Matic, make it, you know, something substantial. So and the way it works is it's gonna divide that by 15 to come up with the amount that students need to stake, and that was just an arbitrary number I put in to just try it out. So this number can be dynamic, can be maybe user based or something like that, but for now I just set it to a static divided by 15. So after all the information is in here, including the syllabus, which is very important, it's not gonna, the button won't let you click it, or yeah, it won't work if you didn't upload the syllabus. Click on set payment, and this is going to be a very long button click because there's a lot going on in the background. What it's doing is it's uploading this to IPFS, and then it's getting that URI, and then it's going to use that URI to on this transaction right here. So once we confirm that transaction, we're going to be setting that payment, and once you set the payment, you can't undo it, you can't change it or anything like that. It's once it's set, it's set. If you want to change it or anything like that, you have to make a new course contract. So boom, there you go. Look at that. It is Introduction to Peace Antz Academy. Course status is open, and it has the block number, details, stuff like that. And you can see here, it'll have your stake, sponsorship required, currently sponsored, still need 15 Matic to start the course. Over here, I'm a little not super happy of how this rendered over here, but that is something to take note of in the bug. So actually, let me just go ahead and do that if I have it open. Okay, so let's go here, text in card rendering squished to right. Not pretty. Okay. And so this list is what I'm going to use for if you say you're using the DApp and you experience a problem. If you are able to report it back to me through, say, Twitter or Discord, then I can add it to the list, and you know, we can develop the DApp into something better and you know, better to use and more effective over time. And so yeah, let's take a look at the different buttons here. So you have student actions over here, and like I said, the sponsorship is 15 Matic, and divided by 15 it's going to be 1. So the enrollment fee is 1 Matic. So that means when you enroll, you're going to be staking 1 Matic to take the course, and if you pass, you get that 1 Matic back. If you don't pass, that 1 Matic goes to the Academy Council Treasury, and that treasury is just a multi-sig that currently I control, but ideally we're going to add people on there over time. And so you can look at the sponsor action. So if you are interested in sponsoring, say you're a student and you want to take the course and you can enroll and sponsor, then you can do that. If you're a teacher, you can actually self-sponsor. So that's actually what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to sponsor myself 15 Matic, and we're going to put 15 Matic into this contract right here. It's very exciting. So it takes time for these transactions to go through. We're dealing with the Polygon blockchain, so it is fast, but you know, it takes like, I don't know, 10 seconds, something like that for the whole thing to work. So, okay, cool. It went through, and you can see here the sponsorship required is 15, currently sponsored 15, still needs 0 Matic to start the course. So at this point, the teacher can start the course after a student enrolls. You need to have at least 1 student enrolled to start the course. That's just in the smart contract logic. So since I'm the teacher, I can start the course, but I can't yet because there hasn't been a student who has enrolled in this course yet. So a teacher cannot enroll in their own course. That's just also part of the smart contract logic. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna change my account to, let's go to my Degen account. And then we're gonna disconnect this wallet, and we're gonna connect, we're actually gonna switch accounts. That's actually what we're, and yeah, this has been happening. So you may get this, and this is just from the third web IPFS storage. It's been flagging this as a phishing attack, but yeah, what I'm doing is not a phishing attack. So yeah, if you see this, you know, you don't have to worry about this, but I understand if you're sketched out by it, because even I was sketched out. I was like, what's going on? So anyway, let's go to details and visit unsafe site. So let's go here and connect the Degen wallet. Next, connect. Great, and now I'm going to enroll in the course. So confirm. And it's automatically gonna put the 1 Matic in. That's the enrollment fee. And then once I'm enrolled, you can see that the contract balance should be updating. So it should say, yep, it says 16. You can see your stake turns into 1. And you can see too here, the TVL goes to 16 Matic, the total sponsored is 15, total staked is 1 because it's just the 1 wallet that's staked, and payout and fail fund hasn't happened yet. So let's go back to the teacher address, and I'm gonna copy this address for to try out the passing. And actually, you know what? Maybe I'll just hold off on that and wait for the actual course to start, and if you're looking to try it out, see if you could get enroll in the course, and we can actually run this and try it out, and yeah, it could be a very interesting, cool experience. So let me know what you think. Try it out. Maybe make a new wallet, send some Matic to it. If you want to create a course, I am definitely looking to sponsor some courses. So if you make a course that seems reasonable, I can afford to sponsor it, then I'm going to go ahead and sponsor your course to help me get this dApp going and get people to use it, because yeah, I think education is key, and this idea of grassroots education has always been very appealing to me. So thanks a lot for checking it out, and good luck on making your courses, and definitely hop in the Discord or reach out on Twitter if you have any questions. All right, Peace Antz out.